Trigger warning, the chiropractor cracked my bones really loud.
Yeah, what's up, AVID Clinic? I am coming for my session, I gotta take care of my health. I gotta get my backs straightened, cracked. I gotta, you gotta stay healthy. So I'm going to see my friend at AVID Clinic, and he's gonna be taking care of me and my family today. I'm super excited. I'm gonna take you guys along. Let's go. AVID Clinic, we are coming to get our session. You ready, Leo? You ready to go see Trishul?
Yeah.
You ready to get to the chiropractor?
Yeah.
Are you excited?
I'm super excited.
Do you think you're gonna have a lot of bones to crack?
I think so, because my body feels really stiff at the moment, so I want to get all that loosened,
We ended up driving underwater.
We are underwater right now.
Woo!
Yo!
Gosh, I'm swimming.
Tunnel underwater.
Whoa.
What?
I'm driving
What?
underwater.
Yo!
I'm swimming.
That's like the craziest thing.
Then we saw this really unique structure, which was so cool. We've arrived at AVID Clinic.
Oh, so beautiful.
Thank you.
Oh, you're looking really good as well.
Thank you very much.
Finally got to meet Trishul. He was so nice.
How are you doing? You okay? Nice to meet you. I feel like I know you guys know so well already,
Yeah,
right?
yeah,
So,
yeah.
cool. You got your video man too. How you doing? Yeah. You good? Yeah. Cool.
We were welcomed like VIPs. Everyone was so nice.
Thank you so much.
Leo was having the time of his life.
Yeah.
He even got a massage.
It's permanently there, but I'm getting used to it. Yeah.
Okay. And how about the lower back? How's that? And
Yeah, I think.
Notice anything strange? It's time for the real deal. You are not ready for this. Wait for it. Listen to my bones crack.
and out. How's that?
Yeah.
You alright?
Yeah.
Cool. Nice and loose there. How's that?
Yeah, nice. Yeah.
Cool. Nice and loose the side. And drop there. Good. Brilliant.
I felt like a new man.
Yeah, I feel lighter.
Yeah, cool. Good. That's where that pressure's released off your spine.
Thank you for having us, Trishul. AVID Clinic is amazing. We'll be back soon.